Hello?
Hello po.
Hello, hi. Magandang gabi sa iyo.
Magandang gabi po, Papa Jack.
Lungkot mo naman. Malungkot ka ba? Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah. Ba't napuputol-putol? Ano pangalan po?
Mia po, Mia.
Mia. Mia.
Mm-mm.
Umiiyak ka na ba kagad? Ha?
Sorry po.
Ilan taon na si Mia?
29 po.
29. And you're calling from what part of the world?
Australia po.
Australia. Talaga?
Yes po. Po.
Ano, taglamig na ba dyan o ano?
Yes po. Next month po.
Next
Autumn po.
month. Oo.
Opo.
Talaga, next month. Sa Pilipinas
Opo.
din eh. Ano na kami dito eh, tag-init. Oo. Ang klima sa Pilipinas ay tag-init tsaka tag-yabang. Okay ba? Okay ba yun, guys? Sorry. Mia, 29 from Australia. Tama na?
Opo.
Okay. Anyways, kailan ka pa naandyan, Mia?
Since 2011 po.
Since 2011.
11.
Okay. Ba't ka napunta dyan sa Australia?
Dito po nag-work yung dad ko, and then after few years after kinuha po kami. So andito po kami lahat.
So your dad, ilang kayo magkakapatid na naandyan?
3 po kami.
Asan ang mom nyo?
Andito din po.
Kasi kamo dad lang. So the entire family has moved to Australia.
Opo.
Saan kayo sa Australia? Anong bahagi ng Australia?
Western Australia po.
Western. Yan ba yung bandang Perth, ganun?
Yes po.
Okay. Okay ka lang?
Opo. Mm-mm.
May asawa ka na dyan?
Meron po.
May anak na?
Meron po.
Ilan na anak mo?
2 po. I have 2 boys, 1 4-year-old and 1 1-year-old po.
Okay. Ang napangasawa mo, Pinoy?
Opo. Kinuha ko po siya dyan.
So nung umalis ka 11 years ago, kayo na or nakilala mo siya ba nandiyan ka?
Kami na ho sa back in the Philippines po, first year high school. So he was my first boyfriend until I got him, and then we got married dito and had kids.
So ano kayo, no? Parang high school sweetheart.
Yes po.
Okay. Sige. Ba't tayo magkausap ngayon? Yeah.
It's ano po kasi, Papa Jack, I'm just so lost kasi
Bakit?
whatever decision I made, kasi nga po I have 2 kids, so parang I just can't make the decision ng pabigla-bigla, and I just want to ask for your advice. Ito pong asawa ko, so we've been together for 16 years and 8 years married, and I'm planning po to end the marriage.
Bakit?
It's yung I had an incident yesterday, Papa Jack, na kahit nasa work siya, I sent him a message na sabi ko, gusto ko na makipaghiwalay, and then he didn't reply. Then when he got home, sabi ko, nakaka-receive ka ba ng message? And he said yes. So na-receive mo yung message ko, nabasa mo. Sabi lang niya, oo. And then few minutes before I left for work, sabi ko sa kanya, seryoso ako dun sa sinabi ko, and I want to end the marriage. Sabi ko, ang ginawa lang niya, Papa Jack, is, ginanya na yung kamay niya, is like parang, what? Parang gano'n lang. And then sabi ko, anong ganyan? Sabi ko, "Yung kamay mo na ganyan," sabi ko sa
Okay,
kanya.
okay.
Sabi niya,
Mia, before that, anong context nito? Why would you want to
um,
end your relationship mag-asawa?
um, I'm so I'm so tired, Papa Jack, na parang I've given my all already, tapos I just don't feel appreciated. I don't feel na may concern siya sa akin. Everything's really.
Give me context.
Um,
Paano?
it's so with since dalawa na po yung kids namin, right?
Mm.
He doesn't spend time with us. Kahit na i-text ko siya, sabihin ko, dito ka naman, manood tayo, like even just for a few hours. Hindi ho siya pupunta. Like he would rather magtambay dun sa bathroom and then just vape there, and then um basically hindi po niya ako tinutulungan sa mga kids. Um ako lahat,
Who's
and
looking
then
after the kids pag nasa work ka?
siya po, Papa Jack. Siya po yung naglo-look after sa kids, pero I leave everything na naka-ready na lahat. If yung 1-year-old ko is kailangan na lang na padedehin, ready na yan. The food is ready.
Then
Dun sa
you
4
cannot claim na hindi ka niya tinutulungan kasi salitan kayo. You're doing most parts maybe, but you cannot claim na wala siyang tulong sa'yo. Because when you go to work, he look after, di ba? He's the one looking after the kid. I mean, ganito Mian. If you're dead set na yung utak mo na makipaghiwalay, I'm not here para pigilan ka.
Mm.
Okay? Kasi kung talagang set ka na makipaghiwalay, go ahead. I mean, no one can force you to be with someone kung ayaw mo na. But I'm just trying to get the context here. Let's not magnify things that are not supposed to be magnified. Like when you say, hindi niya ako tinutulungan sa kids because he's got his own schedule.
Mm.
Hindi, I'm just
Even
saying.
kahit na, Papa Jack, na kahit na weekends, kahit nandito ako, he doesn't really help.
Okay, anong ginagawa
He
niya?
doesn't, wala. He's on the phone, Papa Jack. He's on the phone, and then when the kids ask him, like, Dad, can we play? He will play with them, like, maybe 5 minutes, Papa Jack, but still on his phone. Like, kunwari, hawak lang niya yung bola, papasa lang niya, but still, like, nakatingin pa rin, like, his eyes on the phone pa din.
How
And
many
then,
how many
Papa Jack,
hours does he work?
from 5 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. po.
Oh, so half day lang.
Half day lang. And then I do most of the work, Papa Jack. I pick up shifts. I pick up extra shifts because his salary, yung pay niya alone is not enough to cover, the expenses. So I have to pick up extra shifts. Sa mga kids, he sleeps po sa other room. So he gets all his sleeps. And even if I'm sick, Papa Jack, I have to look after the kids. Kahit I ask, he wouldn't, like he wouldn't look after the kids. Kahit may sakit yung mga bata, he wouldn't sleep in the room, Papa Jack. Even if I ask, sabihin ko na, can you please stay here, like, because I have work tomorrow morning. Kasi kapag weekends, Papa Jack, he doesn't work and I work in the morning naman po. So in the afternoon, I'm present, I'm here, like we're all together at least during the weekend. Kasi weekdays, he works in the morning, I work in the afternoon until night, like 9 p.m., 10 p.m.
So you've lost
So,
your connection. Parang gano'n, I think this has this has very little to do with the kids, no? This has everything to do with your yung samahan ninyo bilang mag-asawa. I don't believe you mind being tired kung okay kayong dalawa, but you're no longer okay.
yun nga, Papa Jack, I tried to, like, kahit minsan sabihan ko siya na, like, tomorrow, like, alis naman tayo, let's just, have lunch or dinner sa labas, and I can leave the kids with the parents. He's not interested.
Okay.
He's not interested. And, I'm just scared, Papa Jack, because I don't know, kasi we have a mortgage here, Papa Jack, and we're living in the same house.
Sino?
So, kami pong dalawa. So, hindi ko po alam, like, how the setup gonna be. like once makipaghiwalay ako and
That's my next question. Have you figured it out sa utak mo how it's going to be kapag naghiwalay kayo? Kasi kung ang
hindi
ending nito maghihiwalay kayo and yet he's gonna go to the other room, you're gonna go to the other room, nagdagdag lang kayo ng extrang kwarto, and then pag alis mo ng lunchtime, siya pa rin naman ang kumbaga it will be the practical the same setup. Is it is it really worth it? Question. You
mm,
are no longer in love with him. Is that what you're saying?
I am in love with him, Papa Jack. Mahal ko siya, Papa Jack. It's just that I I don't wala, hindi man lang, like even to say, just say thank you. Kaya great job with, looking after the kids. Wala eh. I don't feel seen. I don't feel heard. I don't feel appreciated. Nothing, Papa Jack. Nothing at all.
Mm. Parang
Not,
feeling mo na aalipin ka niya.
para pong ganun. Kasi even if I ask, Papa Jack, kahit sabihin ko, look, I'm so tired, I pick up extra shift. I work 6 days straight and then I don't sleep kasi, the kids are like waking up every now and then.
Mm.
And then in the morning, I have to wake up early in the morning because I have to send the other one to school. Tapos, wala, Papa Jack. And then kahit sabihin ko po sa kanya na, you don't even check on us na, like, okay ba kayo, naarating ba kayo ng school ng safe or nakauwi ba kayo ng safe sa paghatid, pag-drop off sa kids. Wala, nothing, Papa Jack.
Etong mga kinikwento mo sa akin, all of this that you're saying, have you tried communicating this with him properly?
I've tried, Papa Jack, text, sa call, in person. He doesn't even say anything, Papa Jack. Like, wala, just silence.
Alam mo,
And then,
napapaisip ako, hindi kaya siya
opo,
hindi kaya bago ka pa makaramdam na ayaw mo na, hindi kaya siya yung may ayaw na?
I don't know.
No, kasi he's so detached from the life that you guys have.
I've, kasi we just recently moved in din, Papa Jack. Like, kakatapos lang po ng bahay, maybe, I don't know, maybe a month ago.
Mhm.
Maybe, a month ago, kakatapos lang po, and then we just recently moved in. Siguro mga 2 weeks pa lang po kami dito. And with
Mm.
everything, Papa Jack, with everything, he doesn't help, Papa Jack. I talk to kahit sa mga, everything in the house, it's me. It's everything, Papa Jack. Everything, paglipat, yung lahat ako, Papa Jack. And then I still manage the 2 kids. And him, he doesn't do anything.
Siyempre, gets kita dahil iba yung dynamics pag sa abroad eh. Hindi po pwedeng pagmamahal lang dyan eh, no? Kumbaga, you have to do some not but some but most act of service talaga dyan. Kailangan talagang
Papa Jack, I'm doing everything, Papa Jack. I've
yeah,
told,
I know.
like I've told him din, Papa Jack, na look, sabi ko, you're like, we're gonna move na sa, di ba, sa new house, and then the mortgage, yung pay mo per week is not enough. Sabi ko, can you like do something? Wala, Papa Jack, he doesn't do anything hanggang ngayon. So I have to step up. Kahit na yung kids are like very like attached sa akin and close to me, Papa Jack, na every time maalis ako, they're crying. So I have to take extra shifts, extra work, extra lahat. Like even if I work 6 days straight, 7 days straight, I do it, Papa Jack. And then wala, I get home tired. He doesn't even ask me like if I already ate, Papa Jack, or if I had dinner. Sometimes I don't even get to eat dinner kasi before I leave the house, I try to do everything. Like I wash the bottles, everything, Papa Jack. If I can paliguan yung kids before I leave, I do. And just so he doesn't do anything anymore when I get home. But it's bakit pagdating sa akin, Papa Jack, he, like nothing.
Mm.
So I've just been feeling like, what's the, yung Papa Jack, yung like, what's the point of, being in this marriage if I've been feeling so alone, Papa Jack. It wasn't just, an overnight no decision na, okay, I have to end. It's been going on and I've been trying to communicate it. Pero, there's no, Wala, Papa Jack. I mean like, nung sinabi ko po sa kanya, you don't even check on us sa amin ng mga kids, like kapag dinrap off ko yung bata, whether safe kami, nakarating ba kami ng bahay ng safe. You don't even check on us, sabi ko. And then the next day, he did. Like, he called me, sabi niya, okay, sa bahay ba kayo? Yun lang, Papa Jack. The next day lang, the rest of the, wala na. It's back to, what he's
Oh, so
doing already.
he needs to be told. That's very sad.
He always needs to be told, Papa Jack, everything. So I'm pretty much parang ako yung nagli-lead. I'm pretty much like the man in the house. Like, I don't have a peace of mind, Papa Jack, every time I go to work, because lagi ako nagli-leave na mahabang message, Papa Jack. Even if I leave a very long message, he wouldn't do it. He will still call me. Even if I'm not at work, Papa Jack, because I'm working in the hospital, so it's quite busy, and it's very
what long message do you leave behind pag nagpapasok ka?
Yung lang, okay, yung milk ni baby is andito, yung ganito, then i-feed mo siya ng gantong oras, try to brush yung teeth ni ganito, ganyan, and then Papa Jack, just the very small things, Papa Jack, just so I don't have to do it when I get home, pero I still do it because it wasn't, he didn't do it.
Okay.
He always thinks, Papa Jack, na I know you can do it. With this house, Papa Jack, na nilipatan namin, which is, I know it's in a mortgage, pero it's me. Everything, Papa Jack, from very start hanggang lumipat kami. It's me.
I have a question for you, Mia.
Opo.
Because there's one of two ways that this can go. Number one is maghiwalay kayo, or number two, you try to find a remedy for this to be better. My question is, kasi kanina you're dead serious na makipaghiwalay na Hindi kita pipigilan, by the way. No? I'm just trying to get some context kung bakit mo gusto. Andun lang ako. But other than that, you are free to choose the life you want for yourself. Especially dyan sa Australia, kasi madali na magpa-divorce dyan, di ba?
Opo.
Di ba? And I get your point. I get your point that you feel unseen, unheard, unappreciated. Di ba? Naiintindihan ko yung part na yan. No? If tonight, kasi parang feeling ko naghahanap ka lang ng validation na tama yung pakikipaghiwalay mo. If tonight, halimbawa, I can just support you na sige maghiwalay na kayo. Makikipaghiwalay ka ba talaga?
I will, Papa Jack, I will. It's just that
O hindi mo kailangan.
It's just so hard kasi, Papa Jack, we're in the same house, in one roof, and the kids, Papa Jack, the kids.
Can you describe to me what are the possibilities na yung outcome kapag naghiwalay kayo? How are you going to schedule each other sa bahay na yan?
It's still the same thing, Papa Jack. I'd still work the same, ako yung afternoon, then he's gonna do morning. It's, what?
So maghihiwalay kayo, dyan pa rin kayo uuwi. Kumbaga, titigil lang kayo mag-sex. Tama?
Pretty much, yep.
O di wag na lang kayo mag-sex. Di na kayo maghihiwalay.
Parang ganun, Papa Jack. Hindi po kasi kami parehas dyan na like, di ba, umuwi ka muna dyan sa parents mo.
Gets ko naman. In Australia, you have your entire family. He doesn't have anyone. Tama?
He doesn't have anyone, no.
Have you checked on him emotionally? Because
Sorry,
have you checked on him? Because you are all he's got. Alam mo, this is very easy to misconstrued na he's the villain in this story. Well, probably he is. But have you checked on him? Have you tried having that conversation that's outward? Yung outward, hindi yung kailangan mo, yung anong kailangan ng partner mo. I'm just trying to throw everything on the table ngayon. Kasi nakakatawa lang na pagka pagka sinabi natin na maghiwalay kayo at iuwi din naman kayo sa iisang bahay. May mga tao lang din kayo. Magkakasalubong pa rin kayong dalawa na nakatapis kagaling CR eh. So ano yun?
Yun nga po.
Diba? So anong point? Diba? So pareho lang.
Pareho lang.
So
Basically.
might as well magkasundo tayo na that we are going to do something kung ang ending ay nandyan lang din naman kayo sa iisang bahay. So my question is, kamusta kaya siya? Ano yung nararamdaman niya? Because if he is this quiet, there must be a lot that's going on. He must be fighting so much demons inside. Have you considered that part?
Minsan, Papa Jack, tinatanong ko naman, and then whenever I say he's, tired, I tell him na, okay, matulog ka muna dyan, even though I need help. Sabi ko,
No, it's not that.
No.
It's not about being tired physically. So I'm sorry. Pinoy tayo. No? Mahirap tayong pagurin. No? Pinoy tayo. No? Mahirap tayong pagurin. Yun ang katotohanan ng buhay. We are so resilient to a fault. No? In everything, napaka-resilient natin. My point lang is, kasi now I know exactly how you feel. And probably you have aired your exact state of emotion to him. But how is he?
I haven't asked Papa Jack.
Hindi kaya yun ang kulang.
Kasi Papa Jack, kahapon, there was an incident na, di ba, sabi ko po sa kanya, seryoso ako na makikipaghiwalay. And then, ginanyan lang ho niya yung kamay niya. And then, so, when I was driving on the way to work, I was already like crying. And then, as in I was so down, Papa Jack, na I went to my manager's office and then I broke down there because I have no one to talk to. So I broke down in front of my manager.
Okay, here's where I'm coming from. Kaya ko to sinasabi sa'yo. By the way, ma'am, ulitin ko lang yung ko ha. I don't want you to misinterpret what I'm going to tell you. Kung gusto mo na makipaghiwalay, ma'am, walang pipigil sa'yo. If you're dead set into separating from him, makipaghiwalay ka, wala nang pipilit sa'yo, ayaw mo eh. Di ba? Nakakatawa lang yung idea na maghihiwalay kayo pero parang crawling distance lang kayo sa bawat isa, no? Magiging fubo kayo niyan, maniwala ka sa akin. Kasi hiwalay kayo eh. Tapos, sa isang ba. So, sa utak ko ngayon, remedyohan natin to. That's why I'm trying to kahit pa paano, i-brainstorm natin. Ano kaya yung side ng guy? Okay, here's what I'm getting from our conversation. Papa Jackson, I sent him a long message. Sinin lang niya ako. Tama? Okay. And you took offense that sinin ka niya. Tama, mali?
Opo.
Okay. Kung sinagot ka niya, nag-reply siya, what would be the ideal reply he can tell you?
Well, sometimes he replies naman, Papa Jack, and he says, like, na-appreciate ko yung ginagawa mo and,
No, I'm asking you now. Kasi you took offense eh. Na-offend ka na hindi ka niya nireplyan eh. So tinatanong kita ngayon, if he would have replied yesterday to a long message, tapos pinadala mo sa kanya na nakikipaghiwalay ka na at gusto mo nang tapusin yung relasyon na meron kayo. So you're too tired, you're too exhausted, I get that. No? I'm with you sa part na yan. Nakakapagod talaga yan. Di ba? Kung nag-reply siya, what would have been the perfect reply na katanggap-tanggap sa'yo? Tell me. What could have been acceptable?
Yung at least, he could have just said, like, let's talk about it. Because even when he got home, Papa Jack, wala eh. Even kanina andun ako, he doesn't even talk to me. Doesn't even talk to me.
So you wanted him to tell you na mag-usap kayo?
And I've been, sinasabi ko din sa kanya, Papa Jack, pero Wala eh.
No, you told me that sinabi mo sa kanya gusto mo na makipaghiwalay.
Opo.
But you want him to tell you na mag-usap kayo.
Mhm.
What is the point of him telling you na mag-usap kayo kung sinabi mo na final na gusto mo makipaghiwalay? Anong room doon na pwede kayo mag-usap?
Na at least he could tell me whether, yung nararamdaman ko is.
Ha?
Hindi ko din po alam, Papa Jack.
There
I
you go.
don't know.
Well, that's exactly what I was expecting from you. The two of you do not know exactly how you feel. You misinterpret each other. I think nandun kayo sa part na yan, no?
Mhm.
Hindi ko alam kung you will agree with me, but I think you're communicating yourself wrong to a guy who has very, very little emotional capability of understanding where you're coming from. I'm trying to be nice with how I say it.
Mhm. Mhm.
Diba? He doesn't know how
Yeah.
to... there you go. Yeah.
Yeah. He's like that, Papa Jack. I agree. I mean, you're right.
There you go.
He's kasi Papa Jack, kahit na andyan yung, whatever he's feeling, he couldn't really, hindi niya masabi. Unlike me na, whatever I'm
excuse me.
I can.
Guys. We are guys. He's a guy. He's a man. It's not an excuse. Just like you are. You're a woman. You're emotional. He's a guy. He's the polar opposite of you. I'm not saying you're right. I'm not saying he's wrong. I'm not saying he's right. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying you have to find your common ground.
Hmm.
I have a question for you.
Okay.
How many of your friends know?
Isa lang, Papa Jack. I don't have too many friends.
Okay.
I've only got one.
So you only have one friend.
Opo.
And the only friend that you've got in Australia knows about it.
Opo.
What did your friend tell you?
Ang sabi lang ho niya is pag-isipan ko po.
Okay. A good
Because
friend.
it's a big, kasi, sabi ho niya, pag-isipan ko na maraming beses.
Mhm. Okay. Your husband, may mga kaibigan ba siya dyan?
He does, Papa Jack, pero he's not yung, hindi siya yung magkukwento.
Precisely. Probably you're the only friend he's got. And he feels like you're an enemy to him now.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably you're the only
Naisip ko rin naman na, Papa Jack.
you're the only friend he's got. Look, ganito na. You are right with every complaint you have here. But you can easily make a man obey you, no? With the right tools you've got.
Mhm.
There's so much so much bias with what I'm going to tell you. But let me tell you anyway, coming from a guy's perspective. Are you ready?
Opo.
Okay. You cannot make a guy follow you wholeheartedly just by being hysterically emotional around the guy.
Mhm.
You cannot. No, you cannot.
Mhm.
Hindi mo magagawang pasunurin ng lalaki na hysterical ka lang at emotional sa paligid niya. Susunod yan sa'yo 1 or 2 times, but it will never be voluntary. Never. Tama ba yun, Papa Jackson? Probably mali. Kasi tatay ka na eh. Dapat may kusa ka na eh. Tama? You agree with me, right?
Opo.
Mm-mm. But then again, kung ang ending nito, maghihiwalay kayo and yet you're just gonna stay in the other room. Kasi feeling ko, kaya ka nakikipaghiwalay ngayon kasi malaki bahay nyo, kasi bago lipat kayo. Kaya option, kaya option mo to. Kung sakaling maliit bahay nyo, hindi ka makikipaghiwalay eh. Mag-aaway lang kayo eh. Alam mo kasi na may ekstrang kwarto, kaya gayahin yung posisyon mo. Tama ka mali?
It's true. It's true na.
He can stay in the basement, I can be upstairs. Meron eh, may backup plan, kaya ka nakikipaghiwalay. But I don't believe that nakikipaghiwalay ka. I mean, if there's anything that I can pick up sa usapan natin is that you are really frustrated.
I really am, Papa
Diba?
Jack. And I'm so tired. and so
Tired,
stressed.
tired, sorry ha, pero mahirap tayong paguring pa na. I mean, hindi ko minamaliit yung pagod mo, But sometimes we can be tired and happy about it. Sarap maging pagod ha, kung masarap yung pagod mo ha.
If only I'm seen and heard and appreciated. Maybe it would have
Ano
been
yun?
different. Maybe if only I'm seen and then heard and
Okay.
appreciated, Papa Jack.
Okay,
And,
ganito. I wanna dig into that, no? Kasi mystery ang part na yan. Eh. Look, ganito Mia, I'm not ayoko sabihin to, sasabihin ko na lang din.
Mm.
I'm not any other guy. Medyo mataas ang emotional ability ko to understand things. Because it's my job. But I'm not any other guy. Now, alam ko ang sagot dito, but I wanted to come from you. Okay? When you say, I don't feel appreciated, ano kahulugan nun? Kasi pag sa ibang lalaki mo sinabi yan, mahirap yan eh. It's very difficult to address that eh. When you tell your husband, I don't feel appreciated, what do you want him? What exactly do you want him to do?
Ano lang, Papa Jack, it's just, kunwari, I see na pagod siya from work. And then, I do everything with the kids. Like, ako na lahat. I'll take over lahat. Just so he can rest. And then, I'll cook, yung mga ganun. The smallest thing. And, wala, he wouldn't even say thank you, like, at least nakapag-rest ako, Those, kahit naiwan, like, gawin ko lahat before I leave the house. There's nothing.
Okay.
Even yung
You practically
Papa
did not answer my question. No? You said, I don't feel appreciated. Alam mo, tropa ko yung mister mo. Makakausap ko siya bukas. Oy pare, sabi ng asawa mo, she doesn't feel like she's appreciated. Sasabihin ng mister mo sa akin, ano ba gagawin ko? O tatanungin kita ngayon, Mia, ano ba dapat niyang gawin? For you to feel appreciated. What exactly does he need to do for you to feel appreciated?
Even just a tap on the shoulder, Papa Jack, na, good job. With the kids, ganun lang.
You want that?
I just want that, Papa Jack. He's never done that.
Okay. Is it, kasi you've been with this guy for 16 years pa?
Mm-hmm.
16 years.
8 years old.
Ano na?
Yes po, 16 years and then 8 years married.
You know very well kung pagkatao niya yun o hindi.
Opo.
Pagkatao niya yun o hindi. I mean, is
Hindi.
he, exactly, ba't ngayon mo hinahanap? Kasi alam mo hindi niya pagkatao, ba't mo hinahanap sa kanya to? Now, you can tell me, Papa Jackson, gusto ko yun eh. Well, masama ba yun? Hindi masama yun. Pero hindi mo pwedeng hanapin sa kanya yun nang hindi mo tinuturo sa kanya yun kasi hindi niya alam na gusto mo yun. You've been together for 18 years. He has to learn it. Let me follow your logic. Okay lang?
Opo.
Kailan mo siya huling tinankyuhan kasi may trabaho siya?
Oh, I do it, Papa Jack, maybe every week.
What do you tell him?
Sabi ko, thank you for working hard. For providing for the kids. He's a good...
How do you say it?
Sinasabi ko po is good job. thank you for, for working so hard.
So,
Ganun po, like, good job you for working so hard.
mm,
Opo,
so
ganun.
he
I
is,
do say that, like,
okay. So he's a hard
sinasabi
worker.
ko, he is Papa Jack. He is. He is. Lahat ng sahod niya, Papa Jack, he gives it to me.
But that's,
It's just that it's
excuse
not
me,
enough.
let's
Pero,
stop. But that's not how you make it, you made it look like to us kanina.
mm,
Hindi mo ganyan kinuwento sa amin.
he's a good man, Papa Jack. He's a good man.
No.
It's just,
No. Hindi yun ang point ko. Hindi mo ganyan kinuwento sa amin. You painted a very inadequate guy to us.
mm,
Wala po. Wala kang sinabi sa kanya na kahit ano maganda. Kasi kung ganito may kwento sa akin to, ganito mo rin siya kinikwento sa mga kaibigan mo. And probably, ganyan mo rin siya pinakikisamahan. Even if we replay kung paano mo kinuwento, ang dating sa akin, sobrang batugan at walang kwenta ng asawa mo. Ganun ko naramdaman.
oh, okay. Opo, because I jump into the issue already.
Look, ganito You want something from your husband. If the question is, Papa Jackson, mali ba yung hinihingi ko? Of course not. Hindi mali yung hinihingi mo. No? I hope you get what you want. Tama, di ba?
Mm-mm.
But I think between the two of you, you are the more intelligent when it comes. You are stronger emotionally sa inyong dalawa. Mas expressive ka, mas sensitive ka emotionally. You have to lead the guy here. Takes a while. Do you have what it takes? Do you have the prowess? Do you have the patience para matutunan nyo to na magkasama? Look, ako kaya ito ang payo ko sa'yo because nakakatawa lang na maghiwalay kayo.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Nakakatawa lang siya na yun ang ano nyo, yun ang ano mo, yun ang nagiging paraan mo. When in fact, there's a lot of things or remedy that you guys can do.
Mm-hmm.
Diba?
Opo.
I'll be shooting arrows in the dark here. Okay?
Opo.
I don't think like your husband feels appreciated as well. I wonder anong context ng thank you for working hard na yan. How do you say that to him?
Sorry, ano po yung Papa Jack?
How do you tell him that thank you for working hard?
Kasi Papa Jack, recently he got promoted and then I just said, oh, good job,
Well, that's you saying congratulations. That's a special occasion.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi ikaw, you are not requiring a special occasion. You just need a tap on the shoulder or thank you on an ordinary day. And yet you're not doing it for him. Tama mali?
Tama.
O ba't mo hinihingi? I'm not saying
You're
this,
right, Papa.
Mia, I'm not saying this is your fault. I'm just saying it's just if the emotions are high, sometimes intellect is low. It's very
Mhm.
difficult to agree onto something, no? Especially pag subjective. Kasi pag relasyon, never naging objective yan. Subjective lagi ang relasyon eh. Emosyon lagi yan eh. Hindi naman kayo business partners eh. Mag-asawa kayo eh. Tama?
Opo.
So hindi, it will never be objective. Laging subjective ang relasyon. Lagi yan. So ako bilang kaibigan mo, I want you to get what you want. I want you to please get what you want. Please get what you want. Sana makuha mo yan, Mia. But sometimes, what you put out is what you get. Eh kung hindi mo naman ginagawa sa kanya, ba't naman niya babalik sa'yo? Na-promote siya?
Yes po.
Ano na siya ngayon?
He's a senior machine operator.
So hindi siya tamad?
Hindi siya tamad, Papa Jack.
Because at work, he is motivated. Because people at work tell him and make him feel that he is a good job, he's capable. Do you do that?
I don't, Papa Jack. I don't.
You get where I'm coming from, right?
I do.
It's a waste of 18 years to just go ahead and throw it on the table na gusto ko na bang makipag-iwalay. I mean, it's so careless. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying there are ways you can get what you want.
Opo. What, Papa Jack, what about yung ako na lang parang ako na lang lagi yung well, I know he trusts me more on this kasi. Like with this kind of stuff na parang ako na lang lagi nag-lead, like with everything.
Huwag mo na ituloy, ate. Ikaw na nagsabi he trusts you eh. Masama ba? Oh my God, Mia! Lahat tayo mong issue! Masama ba yun? Na ikaw yung pinagkakatiwalaan niya to lead the relationship? That he surrenders the leadership to you. Is that even a bad thing? Why do you make a fuss out of it? Masama bang bagay yun?
Po?
Sabi ko masama bang bagay yun?
No po, hindi.
Oo pala eh. Diba?
Okay. Well, that made more sense.
Well, hindi lang ako nakakapayag talaga na maghiwalay kayo. That's all. That is all that I'm coming from. Yun lang yun.
Opo.
Hindi lang ako makapayag na maghihiwalay kayo. Na ganun-ganun kadali lang para sa'yo na maghiwalay na tayo. I just don't see the point na you will not give it a fighting chance.
Okay. Yep. Okay, Papa Jack. Yep. I'm inside the car and I'll go sa house and talk to him.
And put some oil.
The kids are sleeping too, kaya I'd be able to talk to him.
Tama, yung oil.
Thank you, Papa Jack. Thank you so much for your time.
Look, again, ulitin ko lang, Mia. This will not be the last time the two of you will go through something difficult. Marami pa kayong pagsasamahan na pagdadaanan na feeling mo dapat ka nang sumuko. If it's the first option on your list to separate every time that you go through something difficult, baka maghiwalay nga kayo ng tuluyan. Give it a fighting chance.
Opo.
Go hold your
Will do.
husband.
Okay.
Aww. Balitaan mo ako, ha?
Opo. Thank you, Papa Jack.
I,
Thank you so much for your...
I appreciate you para lang marinig mo.
Oh, thank you.
Bye-bye po.
Thank you, Papa Jack.